Hello everybody and welcome to this video on how to convert an estimate to an invoice within the QuickBooks Online app. So if we get started, we can just press the add at the bottom and then select estimate. You can then select the customer from the drop down menu that will appear. You can then put in the estimate number and the date of the estimate. And for this example, I'm going to put the expiry date of the estimate a week from the date on the 10th of July. You can then choose what the current status of the estimate is, as well as the location. So then the next part is the important part of adding products and services. So for this example, I'm going to say we are selling 100 Belgian chocolate to this customer, and within here you get the chance to add this to a class as well. So scrolling a bit further down, you've got a few more options to add shipping and shipping tax on there if that's applicable to your QuickBooks account, and then a message on the estimate. So I'm just going to put prompt response is greatly appreciated from here. And then once we've done all of that, we can just scroll through it, check over it all, and then save it. After we've saved it, the next stage will be to send the estimate out. So as we can see here, we can just take a quick look at what we want on the estimate and press send. If we've selected a customer that has an email address, this will automatically appear. If not, we can put the email address in here and then get that estimate sent out. Once it's been sent, the next stage will be to convert it to an invoice if the estimate has been accepted. So after it's been sent, convert to invoice will be the next option that appears at the top. And when we do that, this will draft an invoice for you. So we can scroll through it, take a look, see if there are any changes applicable. So for example here, I'm going to put that this customer's paid a £250 deposit, which will bring the balance down on the invoice by £250. We can then save that, and here we are then ready to send the invoice out to the customer as and when we want to. Thank you for watching, everybody.